All right, this morning we're heading into town. We're gonna make breakfast burritos for sale. We had a sign-up sheet where people were asked if they wanted to buy bulk burritos. So today we're gonna make them. Stick around, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Here we are in front of Praise Community Church, downtown Florence. We're gonna go inside and make about 80 burritos. It's gonna be a great trip. Good morning, good morning. Lori's here. I'm gonna shut this off for a minute.
Unwrap. There you go. Sorry.
How many are we making? 80?
We're making what we've got.
Okay.
This family dinner a few weeks ago, and my little brother went to work bragging about it. Now everybody up there wants me to can it and stuff. Right? You should. Well, they can have fans.
Okay. So this will be the spicy ones.
This doesn't look like shiny though.
I can't tell anymore. Okay.
That's okay, because we're not going to flip these around. They're fine. We're just going to keep track. We'll just put them in there.
So we're like 16 short on the spicy ones, right?
16 short on the spicy.
Okay.
He's picking it up now.
So
Oh, okay. All right.
you can put them back on.
Okay, so those tortillas you can throw away. We're
Yeah.
not going to need those.
You can sell them.
Oh, we do have enough
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't
Yep.
notice that. Sorry. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so Charlie went to go get more chilies and then we'll be back in business.
Well, I did that because she's
Left over.
yeah, she's trying to let that be eaten.
That's got chili as well.
I'd give it another spoonful for good measure.
Well, let's set those off to the side. We've got enough.
This one doesn't have it.
Okay, what we're doing here is we're adding chili to some of them because we were 16 short of the spicy burritos. What do you think, buddy? You like that video camera?
It's chilies.
That's good. That's good. You want to take that with you to have Grandpa videotape you, put you on YouTube? Okay, I'm back home. I just swung by there and a neighbor needs to borrow a 2 1/4 hole saw. So I gotta check, make sure I have one. They'll be in here in a minute. Come see if I have one. Hopefully I do. I've got a whole set somewhere here. Okay. So we got 2 9/16, and we got 2 1/4. Very good. Alrighty. He'll be so happy. Okay, a little bit different video today, not quite as long either. We're going to be doing some more food review videos very soon. We've got a new restaurant that opened up at Canyon City that I'm excited about trying. So stick around and we'll make some of those videos as they come along. We're going to Colorado Springs next week, and then the week following we're heading to Minnesota. So stick around for those adventures, and until then we will see you on the road.